In today's video, I am going to teach you how to implement GTD Notion. Start by opening Notion and going to your home view. This is the main hub where you can access your pages, recent work, and tools that help you build a system. From the left side navigation, select Marketplace. The Marketplace is where Notion hosts templates, including complete productivity dashboards that can save you time compared to building everything from scratch. Once you are in the Marketplace, go to the search bar and type "Get Things Done." As you type, look for the matching result in the suggestions and select it. This will take you to the template search results related to the GTD method. Find the template called "Get Things Done," Aesthetic Productivity Dashboard, and open it. Take a moment to scan the template page so you understand what you are adding. When you are ready, click Add. Notion will ask where to add the template. If you see an option related to creating a new team space, select the option to skip that and just get the template. This keeps things simple and adds the dashboard directly to your workspace. After the template is added, open the Get Things Done, Aesthetic Productivity Dashboard page from your workspace. Inside the dashboard, you will see different sections that help you manage GTD in a structured way. Click into the area for creating projects and select Create 2024 Projects. This sets up the projects database so you can start organizing outcomes you are working toward. Next, move through the task-focused sections of the dashboard. Open pending tasks to view items that still need action. Then click Do Soon to focus on tasks with upcoming deadlines. In the dashboard, you may also see a More option that expands additional views. Use that to open High Priority, which helps you focus on the most important actions first. Then expand the Other More section and open all tasks to see the full list in one place when you need a complete overview. For project tracking, click All Projects to review everything you have defined as a project. Open the Details view to see more information for each item, and then click Needs Review to surface projects or tasks that require attention during your check-in. Finally, click through the remaining highlighted areas in the dashboard to confirm each view loads properly and that the template is fully set up in your workspace. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.